In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. As of right now, I am currently on Dexscreener.com and I have in here my Phantom Wallet open on another app. So in order to connect those two together, what we can do is we can click onto these three lines right here. And in here, we have in here this model charts and a lot more. For this one, you can scroll down and then just look for in here for Phantom Wallet. So as you can see, there's a lot of option. So what you can do instead is you can head over and then search for it. Just head over and utilize this search option right here and search in here for Phantom. Now in here, you should be able to find it. However, another option that we can do is we can head over and then send into our deck screen from our Phantom wallet. So to do that, let's head over right here to our Phantom. And then once you're in Phantom, just click onto the send option and then just send it onto the address of your deck screener.